Hi guys, my name is Bhooki and welcome to my channel. In this pattern tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a Japanese knot bag. This is very easy to make, and if you follow the directions all the way to the end of the video, you should be able to do this. So without wasting your time, let's get to it. I'm going to be using the following tools: a pen, a pattern master for curves, a ruler for straight lines, and a pattern paper which I have already secured with some tapes. I'm going to start by drafting the body of the bag. At the bottom, I'm going to measure 35 centimeters. Then I'm going to measure 30 centimeters upwards. Once I mark the points, I'm going to connect them using a straight line, which forms a rectangle. Next, I'm going to shape the top edges by measuring 2 centimeters at the top on both sides and 3 centimeters down on both sides. Next, I'm going to shape the bottom of the bag. I'm going to use my pattern master to curve the sides just like so. You don't have to do this, but it gives the bag a nice round shape. I'm going to connect the points at the top as well using my pattern master and then mark my notches. Next, I'm going to draft the bag handles. I'm going to measure 8 centimeters from the new edge point, and I will do this on both sides. The 8 centimeters is how wide I want the bag handles to be. Next, I'm going to determine how long I want the left handle to be. The left handle will be 26 centimeters long and 8 centimeters wide. What I'm doing here is to make sure that I have a straight line by measuring the 2 centimeters I took away from the edge. Once I do this, I'm going to draw a straight line measuring 26 centimeters long. Next, I'm going to measure the wideness, which is 8 centimeters, then I'm going to square it. For the right handle, it's going to be 16 centimeters long and 8 centimeters wide. I'm going to draw the lines and square it just like I did on the left. Next, I'm going to shape the inner edges of the bag handles by measuring 3 centimeters at the side and 2 centimeters at the bottom. I will do this on both sides. Once I'm done, I will join the points by drawing a curve. The final step is to cut out the pattern. You can either cut it out this way or add a 1 centimeter seam allowance before cutting. Also remember that you can always tailor the measurements to your needs. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to sew a Japanese knot bag. It's actually quite easy and fast to make, so be on the lookout. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and please do not forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, my loves, have a good morning, afternoon or night. Bye.